Hello dear students, welcome to our physics class. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about what? Dielectrics part, dielectrics and what? Polarization. So that is the end of our first session in your second chapter. Up to dielectrics and polarization is the one part. So now in the second chapter is the new concept, that is capacitance, electrical capacitance and also capacitor. In the last class we also studied about electrical capacitance. So now that continue way, that is in this class we have discussed about a capacitor. What? Capacitor. Capacitor in the sense what? Capacity of that material. So just I say simple. Capacitor in this electricity, in this field, what it indicates? Capacitor means ability. It just the name indicate ability. Ability of what? That material. Okay. So now we'll discuss about theoretically. So now today we'll discuss about the meaning of capacitor and types of this capacitor and also the pictorial symbol of capacitor. So next, some applications means uses of capacitors. Okay, we'll see one by one. So now, the students, the first, the meaning of capacitor. So capacitor in the sense, capacitor is it consists two conducting bodies. It consists what? Consists of two conducting bodies. Conducting bodies in the sense like plates, cylinder means and sphere. It consists, capacitor consists two conducting bodies like what? Like plates, cylinder and sphere. It consists of two conducting bodies like plates, sphere, cylinder. This type. Okay. And it's separated by a non-conducting bodies. Separated by a non-conducting medium, separated by a non-conducting medium, such that it can store a large amount of electric charge. It can store a large amount of electric charge in a small space. Is known as a capacitor. Okay, once again I repeat. It consists two conducting bodies separated by a non-conducting medium, such that it can store a large amount of electric charge. It's in a given small space. Okay, this is known as a capacitor. So now we'll see a pictorial symbol of capacitor like this is a pictorial symbol of a capacitance of a capacitor. Means fixed capacitance. Means this is a fixed capacitance of a capacitor. Means capacitor na symbolically represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is figure A. Okay, this is fixed capacitance of a capacitor. This is a pictorial symbol. But some another symbolical, that is this B figure. This is also capacitor symbol, but this is a variable capacitance, this is a variable capacitor. But they will ask, write the symbol of a capacitor like this line. Okay, clear? The meaning of capacitor clear? So next pictorial symbol is clear. So next we have to go through some types of capacitors. Dear students, the capacitor is divided into some parts, but the capacitor of types on the basis of shape of a conductor. Means there are some conductors that shape. Means the types of capacitors on the basis of conductors. So like types. Like first one, plate. Cylindrical. Spherical. Means plate means parallel plate. Parallel plate, cylindrical. Next, what? Spherical. Okay. This is first one is a parallel. So parallel plate, cylindrical and spherical. These are the types of a capacitor. Means parallel plate capacitor, cylindrical shape capacitor and spherical shape capacitor. ಈ ಮೂರು ತರ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್, ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಫೆರಿಕಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ uses of a capacitor. Dear students, we are use a capacitor in so many ways, so many fields. Now ತುಂಬಾ field ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So nowadays, okay, so main purpose of capacitor, we have to use a capacitor that is it stored a charge. It can store a charge and energy in the form of electric field. Capacitor, the purpose of capacitor what? It can store a electric charge and energy in the form of electric field. Note this point, this is important. So now some uses of capacitor, what are those? That is the capacitor used in electrical appliances nowadays. In where? Radio sets, television sets. You already know radio. We are listen before earlier centuries, in the 90th centuries, in home they were use radios. So ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಲವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, television sets, in a TV, so some in a computers. So in a computer set they also used in a capacitors in a computers nalli use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, some other in a communication systems. Okay, means electronic systems also used about this capacitors. Okay, students, all about this class about what? Capacitors, the pictorial symbol of capacitor like this, and some uses of capacitors. Good? Okay, in the next class we have discussed about a parallel plate capacitor and some derivation about that parallel plate capacitor. Okay, thank you.